Once upon a digital age, there was a sneaky cyber critter named Guptiminer. It wasn't your average internet bug. This one had grand plans to infiltrate corporate kingdoms far and wide. But fear not, for the valiant knights of Avast's threat labs donned their digital armor and embarked on a quest to thwart this fiendish foe. The plot thickens. Guptiminer was no simple malware munchkin. Was a crafty concoction of malicious tools and greedy cryptocurrency miners, all bundled up in a sophisticated package. Its mission: to breach the walls of large corporate networks and lurk in the shadows, waiting for the perfect moment to strike. The secret weapon. Our heroes discovered that Guptiminer had a trick up its sleeve. It exploited a chink in the eScan antivirus update process. Like a ghost, it slipped through the defenses, unleashing havoc while remaining unseen. A team effort. The Knights of Avast weren't alone in their battle. They joined forces with the Wizards of eScan and the Sages of India CERT. Together, they patched up the vulnerability, shielding countless users from potential doom. Who's in the crosshairs? If you're wielding an older version of eScan, beware. You might just be in Guptiminer's sights. But fret not, for there's a shield to this sword. Simply update your antivirus to the latest version, and you'll be safe and sound. But if you're hit, should you find yourself under Guptiminer's spell, a robust antivirus program is your trusty steed. It'll gallop through your system, seeking out the villain and banishing it to the digital netherworld. Demystifying the techie talk. While the tech gurus might revel in the nitty-gritty of Guptiminer's machinations, the rest of us, mere mortals, need only to know this: Avast Guardians are ever vigilant, keeping watch over our digital realm. Their discovery and collaboration are shining examples of how in this ever-evolving game of digital cat and mouse, staying one step ahead is the key to victory. Stay safe, stay secure, and I hope you enjoyed this lighthearted retelling. Remember, the original article was penned by Luis Corrons on April 23, 2024, leading the charge against Guptiminer. You'll find it on the Avast blog at the link listed. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for watching and listening.